It is that time again. End of summer LAN party. Let's check out the setup. We're at a different place today. This is one of our friends' mom's house who has a lot of space. So let's go check out the setup.
Oh shit, behind us. Get him.
Well, that's another LAN party for the books. End of summer LAN party 2019. Done deal. Until the next time, we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and yeah, check out all our other videos. That'll be linked right over there. And yeah, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned. We always got more content coming.